Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add forms to Wix website. So let's go to Wix editor page first. After that, now click on this add section to add a section. You can click on blank section. So here's the blank section and we're gonna add a form here. Click on this plus add elements. Now you will find here I can see contact and forms. Click on this contact and forms and you'll find here many forms. I'm choosing contact one and you'll find many contacts from here. So just choose one, this like this one. It may take some seconds, so hold on. You can see that it's saying you have reached your form limit. Upgrade to premium plan to create more forms. So I have limit has been crossed because I'm using currently free version of Wix. But how to add forms, you already show this. Click on this and you'll find here contact and forms. Click on forms, and if you click on these forms, your form will be here and you can edit it. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.